Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your iPhone. If there's something wrong with your iPhone or you want to sell it to someone, you can just go ahead and reset it and remove any kind of data from your phone and just make it ready for selling or just fix any kind of issue mostly. So for that, go to Settings. Then here in the Settings, go to Journal here. Then go ahead, go down, and you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Then you got Reset option, which allow you to reset all the settings, all network settings, keyboards, handwritings, etc. And you got another option called Erase all content and settings. Just tap on it. Then here, if you want to just remove everything from this iPhone, just tap Continue and just make sure that you want to remove all these data if you want. If you're 100% sure, tap on Your as iPhone. Then tap your passcode. After you do that, that's it. Now iPhone is removing everything from your iPhone. And then we'll just make it as new for you. Then you can go ahead and just set up again for yourself, or maybe just sell it and be worry-free. And that's it. That's how you can reset your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, the 17 Pro Max, or 17 Air. Doesn't matter, whichever you have. You can follow the same steps. Thank you for watching.